for Daiso in Korea and let's see what we can find. These are what's in the floors if anyone's wondering. Guys, warm kaya to pag sa Australia na winter kasi parang cute pero si mama medyo may butas for some reason. Very cute, Shinshan. Just kept going down because I didn't really need anything else. Because I'm still young, hindi ko pa na-appreciate ang mga bagay-bagay like this. Cute siya actually, this is cute. Pero hindi pa kasi ako oldie to appreciate it. Oh, these are cute. Kinda like this. Guys, it's all food. Kaya naman dito, ang daming pagkain. Matcha Kit Kats. It's the floor that I like. Character stuff, cute stuff. Let's have a look what we can find. So many cute things. This is cute if you're a Doraemon fan. Only 5,000 won. You get like a lot of pens. And wrapping paper. Shinshan. I'm not really a big fan of these characters though. Ito rin na. May ito sa mga pencils. Okay. Ito na kaya biling ko guys. Cute! 5,000 won. See? Lots of. My jam stationaries. Look at the options. Okay, I think I'm gonna spend a long time in this floor. Let's have a look. Guys, my favorite stickers. Guys, ang dami. Nakakaduling. Oh. Pinush niyo ko. Meron pa siya sa likod. Oh. Shortlist some stickers kasi super dami nito. So, let's try to cut some kasi ang dami. Hindi ko kailangan lahat. I really want this. This one also. Okay, I don't really like the silver. I like the gold. Sabi ko na eh, madoble guys.